Hi everyone, my name is Marsel. I'm a professional trader. I'm glad to welcome you to the Upscale channel. On my screen, there's an account with 25,000. It's managed by ChatGPT, into which, of course, I've uploaded all my strategies, all my knowledge, and my knowledge library. If it makes a mistake, I lose exactly 1%. Let's see who wins, human experience or artificial intelligence. For the past year, I've been using GPT as a reference to check the news, find correlations, and explain fundamentals. But what if you turn AI into a full-fledged trader assistant? The problem was simple. To believe in such an experiment, you need to trade with real money with a proper deposit. A $500 deposit is just too little to believe in the idea. A full working deposit is just too risky. Any mistake, and there goes your vacation. So the dream just sat on the shelf until Upscale came along, and I saw the opportunity there. With Upscale's prop model, I risk just 1% while managing a full $25,000. It's the perfect sandbox. The volume's close to real, so the check will be as clean as possible. The potential profit is tangible. If the experiment fails, the loss is limited to the cost of the challenge. We are building an AI assistant that's immediately focused on the prop rules. The first step is I upload all the Upscale rules so that my GPT assistant behaves strictly according to the rules set by our prop firm. Its goal is to find setups, suggest where to place take profits, and where to set stop losses. At the same time, I also uploaded my own trading strategy for it. We worked together for a long time, painstakingly, and a back-and-forth dialogue. The next step is I upload my own knowledge library, which I've been collecting over the past 7 years. After that, I write out the entire scenario, basically a kind of prompt. The prompt has about 20 components. That is, it covers everything from the risks of the prop company to the tone it uses when communicating and the format in which information is presented. At the end of the prompt, I specified that the responses should be restrained, strictly to the point, and as brief as possible. Why was this done? So that decisions can be made as quickly and profitably as possible. Yes. Not at a frantic pace, but the whole process shouldn't take more than 1 or 2 minutes. Just enough time to share the chart with GPT, identify entry and exit points, take profits, stop losses, and then move on to the next step, whether that's passing the first or second stage, and then we move on to funding. We start with minimal risk using the strategies I've loaded into it. Our risk per trade is 1%, meaning we only lose 1% of our stop losses triggered, 1% of the deposit. If it hits take profit, based on our analysis with ChatGPT, we earn 2 to 3% on the deposit. Everything is as simple, clear, and concise as possible. But at the same time, when there is increased volatility or other anomalies, naturally the advisor recommends holding off on trading and just observing, or canceling a particular order or trade, because, for example, a new trading report is coming out that could affect the market. And accordingly, to avoid this situation, the AI advisor recommends minimizing risks by setting clear stop losses and take profits. Next, we move on to a more significant result, right? So I prepared 3 entries, 3 trades right away, and sent him screenshots. Each screenshot includes support and resistance levels, as well as indicator values. And accordingly, then I ask him to set the stop loss and take profit correctly so that we don't violate the rules and risk management within the Upscale prop firm. From this point on, I declare the experiment public. I complete the remaining part of the challenge only with the help of the agent I created myself. No manual corrections. I want to hear your opinion. Do you use ChatGPT yourself in trading or in any other way in crypto? And what do you think? Will I be able to reach the funded account together with you and achieve that very profit? Or will our challenge and my experiment fail along the way after all? Write in the comments if you use ChatGPT in trading or in your everyday crypto life, yeah? If you like this video format and I see your engagement, I'll keep making the series, and together we'll reach the funded part. Show some activity. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.